Hey there fellow tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets. Today we have an exclusive unboxing experience for you. Get ready to feast your eyes on the stunning vivo Y78 Plus. As soon as I laid eyes on this device I knew I had to share it with you. The vivo Y78 Plus boasts a breathtaking design that seamlessly combines style and functionality. Its sleek slim profile and premium build quality make it a true eye-catcher. What really grabbed my attention about the vivo Y78 Plus is its large immersive display. This 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, taking your multimedia experience to a whole new level. Whether you're watching your favorite videos or playing graphics-intensive mobile games, this smartphone won't disappoint. Now, let's talk about the camera capabilities of the vivo Y78 Plus. Equipped with a powerful triple camera setup, this device truly shines in the photography department. The main 64-megapixel lens captures stunning high-resolution images, while the ultra-wide-angle lens allows you to effortlessly capture breathtaking landscapes. And of course, let's not forget the macro lens, which lets you explore the tiniest details up close. Security is paramount, especially in today's digital age. With the vivo Y78 Plus you have multiple options to keep your device secure and your data protected. Its fast and accurate fingerprint scanner located on the screen provides convenient authentication, while the facial recognition feature allows for a seamless and effortless unlocking experience. Under the hood, the vivo Y78 Plus packs a punch. Powered by a robust processor and ample RAM, this smartphone ensures smooth multitasking and lag-free performance. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming your favorite content, or playing demanding mobile games, this device handles it all like a breeze. Let's talk about battery life, an aspect that is important to all smartphone users. With the vivo Y78 Plus you won't have to worry about constantly searching for a power outlet. Its large battery capacity keeps you going throughout the day, and when it's time to recharge, the device supports fast charging so you can get back to using it in no time. The vivo Y78 Plus also offers a user-friendly software experience. Its intuitive user interface makes navigating through apps and settings a breeze, while the pre-installed features and customization options allow you to personalize your device to your heart's content. And there you have it, our exclusive unboxing and first impressions of the vivo Y78 Plus. This device impresses not only with its stunning design but also with its outstanding performance and camera capabilities. If you're on the lookout for a smartphone that offers a delightful user experience, look no further. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching.